48 as well. Oh, I should have worn my vest then.
Oh, I know, right? You guys bought the vest. You should have wore it. Show you guys. This is Chris's bike right here. It's also a 22 Harley 48. It has the SPC pipe. Got Sherton. We're gonna roll out, go to Montclair Mall, pick up Emilin. Then we're gonna head over to Yoshimura Yoshimura R&D. They got the mini jam today. We're gonna ride with some minis.
Don't pay attention to the lead. But your MIDI bracket is right here. So your foot peg needs to come up just through the pipes. How am I supposed to do that, SPC?
So, did you talk to them about that?
No, but I found a guy that has a very similar issue.
Oh.
And they had to rebend him a pipe.
Really?
They sent him a new pipe. But we live in California, so these were ordered through a vendor.
Yeah.
Not directly from the company, so they have no history for me. So I think I can manipulate it. I'm gonna try to loosen the brackets down here.
Really? You're gonna try that?
Try to pull it to where obviously I don't get an exhaust leak.
Yeah, I wanna see if you can do it. See, like I gave him he's the one who gave me the mids.
Oh yeah. No.
Yeah, and then he has my forwards.
Yeah.
So that's funny. Yeah, I wanna see if you can do that. I didn't even notice that when you had it that night. I just
the whole time I haven't noticed it. I'm like, I'm just waiting on middies because the first thing I wanted to do is tune and air filter and all that.
So you really want like the mid, just the feeling of it. It's
on up wheelies.
Oh yeah, okay.
But yeah.
Oh, we should link up after.
I have a semi.
I think it might link.
I think it's only a phone call.
Hello.
Oh. Oh, I see. I mean, we can try it later. We can see. Three of us here. We're heading over to Montclair Mall. Gonna pick up Emilin on her sport bike. She's gonna be the only sport bike cruising with us. Yeah, man, this is tight. Chris's 48 with the SPC pipe. I've been looking into that pipe. I was looking into the stealth pipe too. They're very nice. Yeah, we're gonna take over the streets here. Oh, Hopper. Sherton is back. You haven't rode in a while, huh?
Nah, dude, since what? Say May?
Yeah. Sherton had hand surgery, so he was out for a while.
Backing off too much.
It's all good. Just a local ride today. Let me get over here.
Right.
Here. Oh. All right. He made his room. Can't wait for those tacos, huh? Tacos and free drinks.
Is it free?
Everything is free today.
Really?
That's what they said. Tacos, drinks, everything is free.
We'll see.
I'm gonna buy some shirts and stuff though. I think
I'll get some shirts and some stickers too.
Yeah, I think the shirts are just like $10, so it's worth it. Yeah, look at them take off. Woo! Yeah, man, that bike takes off. Oh,
hey, good.
That's what I've been saying. 2-2-1 pipes. Goes a little bit harder. Let's just go up here. You can't see it though.
What?
Alright, here we go.
You look like both of you guys look like vintage Harley riders, dude. They're all shirtless. This guy has a vest.
I know, you should
Fucking
have
right,
worn
man. I should have worn the.
Is that just a plain black shirt?
Yeah, it's just a plain vest.
Oh man, you should have worn your vest.
That thing gets hot though.
I mean, like, you guys barely wore it.
Or like, I wore a couple times.
Couple times. Yeah, watch out for those bumps. It's a lot of bumps. Alright, let's just cut up here. Over here. Wait for her here.
I thought she was here.
Switching gears.
Oh, she's over there.
Oh, she's over there?
Yeah.
Oh. We'll wait for her to come over here. There she is. Need your 400. Alright, we're here at Montclair Mall. Got the crew here, the only sport bike here. We're gonna head over to Yoshimura right now and go to the event, and we're gonna meet Albert there. And then she said she taped her stuff started falling out.
Sean broke it.
So this fairing down here, there's these little clips, black tabs. Once you take them off, they get damaged. And then so like she's missing them, you know. There's like 2 of them.
I taped it.
Yeah, she just taped. That's her little hack job here. I guess it's fine for now. It's all good. We're only doing local streets.
Free tacos.
Free tacos. Can't wait for it. To the right. All right, we're breaking through. Single file line, single file line. Coming through, people. Coming through. Little handheld cam here, filming all
Holding
this.
it.
I'm holding it in one hand. That's how you gotta do it. Woo! you guys got matching vans right there. Got the Vans crew, and then we got the Boots crew on the left
high
here.
five. You don't even know.
Me and Sherton on Boots, you guys are on Vans. It's funny.
We have to, which one of these? Such a big quick the whole time.
Can't wait to see how the finish looks. Should be cool.
Did I just get honked at? Yeah.
I don't know. On this dude.
Wow.
Look at that guy.
They really...
That guy's mad.
What's this from? Oh, because you cut them off. It happens, you know?
Hey, we are in like Pomona area. They're gonna be mad over here. Yeah, this area, people tend to have attitudes. It's all good.
Right. They'll get over it.
Yeah. Street. Where's the Schaefer at? We'll go to the right. I bet it's in there. Oh yeah, see? Woo! Yoshimura.
Oh, they're going!
We are here. Woo! Can we park over here? Hey! I don't got a back over here.
We're in the wrong show, Johnny.
We're in the wrong show. The only thing is, if we want to get out, nice.
But I have no legs.
You're good, you're good.
Dirty.
We're here at the event. Look at this. Mini group event. Look at this thing, man. Sweet.
Go. Oh, shit, I'll follow you, bro.
Oh, you do?
I'm
Nice.
gonna follow you.
What's your name, man?
Robert.
Robert, nice to meet you.
I was watching your videos.
Nice. Yeah, I bet you used to
Dude.
watch my Grom videos, right?
No, I mean you guys are on the Harley too.
Yeah. Oh, you're on a Harley too. All right.
Dude, that's fucking crazy. I'm about to meet you. Thank you, bro.
Yeah, this is sweet.
That's a bad one.
Nice and stretched. Damn, man, it's smoking.
Yeah.
Got
Had a
some
little
leaks?
leak through my oil catch can. It's
Always
coming up
happens, huh?
through-
Oh, okay, I see. I miss my Hondas. I miss my Groms. Ooh, stretched. Nice and stretched. I didn't know that was Cameron's Ruckus because I saw it at the other show.
They built it for like the team.
Oh, they built it for the team.
I
Okay.
think him and,
Oh. Gavin. What's up, brother?
What's up, brother?
Good seeing you. I think I saw this at the honor show, right?
No, this one wasn't built yet.
It wasn't built yet? Oh, I think there was a similar one then, because it was all yellow like this, and I was like, oh.
No, yeah, this one is.
Nice. So you just built it? That too? What's that? How's it going?
Good. Carlo, nice to meet you, man.
Oh, Johnny.
Nice to
You
meet
just built this too, or?
yeah, Cameron
Oh, okay.
helped me with it, yeah.
Nice. How long did it take?
Oh, man, not that long. Like, probably like 2 months.
Okay.
Probably not even that.
Are you just waiting for the parts now?
Yeah,
The longest?
the best thing, was just getting all the parts together, and he kind of hooked it all up.
Nice.
That came out nice, man. We collaborated. I mean, for me, it was just more the colors is what I was looking.
What's the engine in it right now? The GY6?
150.
150?
Yeah,
Okay.
GY6. Yeah.
Nice. Everyone puts the GY6
Yeah,
in.
yeah.
It's nice. You gotta do any color changes?
No, I think
To
for
keep like
now,
that?
yeah.
That's what Albert had before this gray.
Yeah.
He loved it, yeah. His
Yeah.
looks sick too before.
Yeah, I kind of wanted to do that Porsche. This is off of a Porsche
Oh,
911
that
color.
look.
Yeah, that crayon.
Oh, okay. Yeah, even this yellow tint up here.
Yeah,
It's been very popular lately. Oh, look at this one. Trail 125. Little trail bikes. These are sick. Steady garage. Steady. Nah, look at this.
That's cool, huh?
Yeah, that's nice. Hey, oh, Luciano. Is that how you say it? Like, Luciano.
yeah.
Okay, nice. Well, which one did you ride today? Oh, yeah. Oh, but okay. Oh, wow. First time seeing this bike.
People sitting by the table over there.
I always ride so much. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, you guys both came on your Harleys the first time, I think.
Yeah, that's why we're all on a Harley. Hey, Alan. What's up, man? I see it. But because I sold my Grom, you know. If I had it, I would have cruised with you guys, but I sold it a while ago. And I don't know that, but I've been telling Albert, I'm like, damn, I kind of want a Ruckus. And he's like, oh, I want to build another Ruckus again.
That's 10 G's right there.
It's a lot. That's the whole thing, right? The Grom is so much less.
Yeah.
Ruckus just way too much.
Yeah, they're cool, but to me, I almost built one, but to me, I need pricing, man. I can't do the automatic thing.
Yeah. Wait, did you do an air filter too? Oh yeah. Got that there. Okay. What's up, buddy? What's going on?
And also,
Nice.
we got free drinks inside as well.
Oh yeah. Rolling up.
Okay guys, it's official. The tacos are ready. But before we start eating, you guys are gonna dig these tacos. Homemade chips, the salsa is insane. Our man comes about 3 times a year and cooks for us, and it's just amazing. But before we start eating, I just wanna say thanks to you guys. We just wanted to do today to give back to the Mini community and thank all you guys for on the 12-inch wheels for giving the love out there to Yosh. And again, today, everything's 20% off inside the shop here. Our boy Tim's here to help you. We have a staff of people to help you if you have questions. Enjoy the tacos. There's free drinks. The tacos are free. So enjoy. And our guy DJ Johnny Johnson here is spinning the wheels of steel for us. All right. Johnny Johnson, everybody.
Oh, look at these here. Oh man, Albert should do like this. That's nice. I love the knobbies on that. Oh, look at the front. Oh Oh, this is so sick, guys. This is so sick. I like this little sporty look. This is so stretched out. Emilin, let's go get a drink. I think they got some drinks inside. I had one that was all white. Yeah, I loved it, but it was sitting in the garage. I had to sell it.
Okay. The first person that can come up to the DJ booth and explain to me why they need a new set of grips, I got a new set of grips for you. ODI stuck this out with some grips. So if you come over here and tell me why you need a new pair of grips, I'm going to give you these MA 2.0 clamp-on grips. Why do you need new grips, sir? There's the answer. It's going to make his bike faster. Right there. Okay? How about he's got a 22 or newer Grom and a brand new set of Ruckus here.
What you got? Oh, some stickers. Yeah, I love those stickers. Gotta put in the bike. That gives you 1 plus horsepower.
Yeah.
You can give it away. Great reason. All right, we'll get some more stuff away in a few minutes.
Oh, so those are, yeah, I want that white one.
That one?
Yeah, or that one, or let me see.
The first one.
Oh, the first one. Oh, you like that one? Yes, I do. Cool blue. We got our shirts.
You gotta always be prepared.
For the fucking, yeah, that's what happens when you drive a fucking, or ride a Ruckus GY6.
I gotta buy it for something.
I wonder if the heat makes it tighter when it's hot. Yeah.
It should torque down all the way.
Should we all lift it up while he's working on it?
Almost like a breaker bar.
Yeah, it needs to be longer, have more leverage, huh?
Fucking torque down hard.
Wait, you need a welder now? I got one in my back.
I need more muscle, bro.
You can't get it? Don't you want to go towards you?
I feel like you got
You want me to pick up the bike? Put it on the
Yeah, I said, want us to put the front wheel right on here, and I'll give you room. So, Cameron's trying to take off that exhaust, take out the bolts, but it's very difficult. We just have a little mini ratchet, so it's difficult. Albert got it. He found a bigger ratchet. Got it all loose. Nice. Parking lot installed. Oh, we got some more coming up. Woo.
This is a big ass turbo.
Okay. All that is handcrafted.
New boost.
Old engine.
Definitely.
I love the inside here. Racing seats.
So clean.
Bucket racing seats.
They look pretty young too.
Nice.
Reminds you of a Corvette.
Did he say what year this was?
A 70. It's technically a 70,
like a
but it's
70.
marked as a 71.
Oh, okay. But did they get it? Did they get it?
No, that one just holds it right. This one is what holds it. Yeah.
It's got like a
You got it going. Nice. Yeah, it all matches now with the color. Or that's, I mean, it's gonna turn again. It's gonna turn.
Turning brown. But I like the color though, like the way it's gonna burn off.
Yeah, it turns like that.
Wait, you're missing a button.
That was for the
For that, okay. Just able to do it. You got it.
Oh, you guys installed it already.
Food time. Food time.
I can't talk right now. I'm doing Mexican shit.
Wanna be skinny, but I wanna eat shit. And that's why my life is problematic.
Short. So there we go. It's alright. Yeah, and I won't mess it up. Good call, good call.
Maybe so.
Jeez, Mini. That looks sick.
Yeah. Could you imagine getting pulled over?
I don't think you can get pulled over. They're gonna be like, let's go, dude.
Dude, look at the plates on it. Came from Japan?
That's so sick.
Oh man. You gonna you built it all yourself or?
Yeah.
You do your own? Like where do you get the plates? Where do you get it from?
From Japan. From Japan.
Oh, so you brought it from Japan?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, nice.
I built it from the 80%, more than 80% junk parts.
Oh, junk part. Oh, that's how you gotta do it.
Yeah.
Nice. And it runs good? Everything's
That's
good?
the highly built the engine, 72cc.
How do you turn on? You have to crank it or how do you turn it on? From the, oh yeah, you kick it, you turn it on? Okay, nice. How fast can you get up on it? How fast can you go? Maybe 60? 60 miles? No, not even? 30? Maybe like 30, 40. Yeah, okay, got it.
That's still pretty good.
No, yeah, it's fun. Rip around on that? It looks so
Show
nice.
to the wheelbase.
Just to show, like that, yeah.
Like this.
Yeah, I mean like, oh, it shakes. If you're going too fast, got it.
And because where his feet sit.
Yeah,
so
and
just,
when shift up,
Oh, really? I love it. It's like vintage.
like, look at this thing. Comparable to hand.
I know.
Come on.
It's like a 1 gallon, 0.5.
How far does it get you? To the next gas station?
I know. He goes home, gotta fill up. Go back and fill up. Is it a Yoshi pipe? Or it's only the... Okay, fake, yeah. It looks like it could be.
but I'm employed here.
Oh, you're here, okay. Nice.
Half fake.
Yeah.
Can you kick it on
Sure.
to hear how it sounds? I wanna hear it.
That's not loud.
But you can.
Oh, that sounds good. Nice. That sounds good. Look at that idle.
So sick.
That's sick.
It's like a little bubble.
Yeah. It's idling good. Wow.
Very nice.
Yeah, I love it. There's a can here. Carbureted. Filter there. Chain on this. Yeah, sweet little one. It vibrates a lot?
Yeah, it vibrates like a lot.
Yeah.
Alright, bye.
Yeah, I gotta go the other way. Peace out.
Okay, bye.
Later.